Change it. So I pulled the new one off the box. Comes with start components and all the good old stuff. Problem is the old one is a different shape right off the rip. So I checked numbers, and we got some different information. So I called to verify that it will work. They gave me so time to put this bad boy in. Weld it in. The service port. I just teed it off of the dryer there. Yippee-ki-yay. Pressure leak test going. We just replaced the dryer on this thing. You know, visual representation when you change the dryer and you change the size of it, you have to understand that it fills up with liquid, and the bigger it is, the more liquid it holds, and you have to be able to do the math to compensate. For the amount of liquid in the bad boy.